In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Windows 11 DNS, updated 2026 full guide. If your web pages feel slow to load, certain sites don't resolve correctly, or you just want more reliable name lookups, changing your DNS can make a noticeable difference. DNS, or Domain Name System, is like the Internet's phone book. When you type a website name, DNS finds the correct address so your browser can reach it. Swapping to a trusted, fast provider can improve speed and reliability, and sometimes even enhance privacy. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. The quickest way is to click the Start button and select the gear-shaped Settings icon, or press the Windows key plus Y on your keyboard. In Settings, go to Network and Internet. This is where all your connection options live. Next, choose the connection type you're currently using. If you're on wireless, click Wi-Fi. If your device is plugged in with a cable, click Ethernet. Now, click your active network connection to open its Properties page. You'll know it's the right one because it shows as connected. This Properties view is where Windows keeps configuration details for that specific network. Scroll down until you see DNS Server Assignment. By default, this is usually set to automatic, which means your router or internet provider chooses the servers. Click Edit to change it. In the Edit DNS Settings window, switch the mode to Manual. This tells Windows that you'll provide the DNS servers you want to use. Enter your preferred DNS addresses. A common reliable example is 8.8.8.8 for the primary DNS and 8.8.4.4 for the secondary DNS. These two addresses work together, so if one is unavailable, the other can answer. Type them carefully, using periods exactly as shown. You can use different addresses if you have a preferred provider, but make sure you enter valid DNS servers. Click Save to confirm your changes. To make sure the new DNS settings take effect, restart your connection or your PC. For a quick connection restart, you can turn Wi-Fi off and back on from the taskbar network icon, or briefly unplug and replug your Ethernet cable. A full device restart also works if you prefer. That's it. You've set Windows 11 to use your chosen DNS servers. Web browsing should now use those settings automatically. If something doesn't load as expected, double-check that you typed both DNS addresses correctly. And if you ever want to go back to your original setup, return to the same DNS server assignment area and switch back to automatic.